Welcome to the Smart Science measuring video about the lab called Magnet Drop. Now in this lab we're going to drop a magnet through some coils of wire and see how much current is induced on a galvanometer. This is a very interesting lab, really the simplest version of electromagnetism, inducing current in a wire by moving a magnet. You can see at the top of the screen here the setup of the equipment, what the meter looks like, and we're going to collect data by clicking on that red tip of the pointer in the meter. So that should be pretty easy to see. Let's go ahead and do it. The central question of the lab: how does the number of turns of wire affect the current induced by the dropped magnet? So once we've picked or written a hypothesis in the case of advanced courses, we're going to be able to pick 4 different numbers of turns of wire. Let's just start with the first one. When I press play, you're going to see the magnet drop through there. And then you should see a close-up of that meter. Notice the sound and the deflection there. So again, this is only 5 turns. We didn't see much change in the meter, but let's go ahead and see if we can measure it. We're clicking on that red part of the pointer, and just keep doing that until you see the meter change. There we go. Click on the edge of the meter, and as it moves back again, we're going to click it again, and it goes just below and comes back up. So here's a version of the magnet dropping through, inducing a current, creating a little bit of the reverse on the way back. Let's save that into our list. So that's the 5 turns of wire graph as I've created it here. Do all 4 different setups and try to figure out how increasing the number of wire turns, how that will change this induced current in this lab about the magnet drop.